So welcome back to Thorpedale Road. As you can see, the walls have been created, the stills have been installed, and a wooden roof structure has been created. Now the builders are working on the slated roof and the LED flashing for the guttering. This opening has been created for the eventual installation of the crittal doors. The crittal doors combined with the skylights will completely flood the space with natural daylight. You may be wondering why the roof is shaped in this style. One of the reasons is to have sufficient gradient for the water to drain off, but the main priority for the client was aesthetics. Internally, what they wanted was the feeling of a bigger space, higher floor to ceiling heights, and by having the actual roof shaped in this way, it does allow for that to happen. In a few weeks, these openings that have been created will allow for eventually the installation of the skylights, including the inflected skylight to the rear, which will help to bring light into the rear living room.